Noble Hospital and the Noble Health Network are proud to announce the opening of their new Noble Express Care facility, urgent care that is convenient, fast, and economical. Dr. Brian Sutton, Director of Noble Express Care, and Dr. Jacques Blanchette, Chief of Noble Emergency Department, join us to share more. Gentlemen, congratulations. The ribbon cutting was this morning. How exciting.
Very exciting. It's great to be back on Massive Heel, Ashley. You look great today.
Thank you so much, and you do too with that Christmas tie and nice sweater. So now this is a very exciting time for you. Of course, the Noble Express Care is such a great addition to have in the community because it offers a lot of alternatives to emergency room treatment and also a primary care physician.
It is. We saw the need in the community and approached Noble Hospital a few months back and got the ball rolling, and we opened quietly in the early November and had our grand opening today with a big ribbon cutting with the mayor, a lot of dignitaries in town, and we're excited to announce the opening of Noble Express Care at Noble, part of Noble Hospital and Noble Health Network.
In Westfield.
In Westfield.
On Union Street. And so there's a lot of benefits, of course, to Express Care, but people may not know when they should go to the emergency room or Express Care. So Dr. Sutton, if you could let everyone know, what are some common things that people would go to Express Care for?
So we're in urgent care, and we see urgent medical conditions, and those include injuries, minor trauma, including lacerations, sprains, strains, some trauma that may end up being a fracture. We do have an on-site x-ray facility at Noble Express Care, so we do diagnose our share of fractures, and we can give initial treatment for those fractures. We've been seeing in the first few months that we've been open, we've been seeing a lot of cold and flu symptoms, and we have the facility we have our laboratory that can offer a flu test as well as a flu vaccine. We've been running a successful $5 flu vaccine clinic all month in December. For those of you who have not gotten a flu vaccine yet, come on out for the rest of the month. We have a $5 flu vaccine. But yeah, we've been seeing the flu quite a bit in these last few weeks.
Mm-hmm. Well, it's so great for working parents or grandparents or whoever you may be, whether it be your child or you, it's convenient and it's great that you don't have to have an appointment. But on the other hand, there are certain times when you should definitely go to the emergency room. Dr. Blanchette, what are those, when would we know that we should go to the emergency room instead of urgent care?
I think a lot of complaints, especially for chest pain, abdominal pain, or people that have that are vomiting and feel like they're dehydrated, or people that pass out or have syncope, then those are really complaints that should come to the emergency department, because there may be more need for laboratory testing or further x-rays such as CAT scans. And I just want to remind everybody that we work really closely together with the Express Care. And if there's something that, if somebody happens to go to Express Care but needs further care, they'll send them to us, and we work very closely, so we don't need to repeat everything that was done.
Yeah, but it's important to know, like you just said, when you should go to the emergency room instead of going to urgent care.
If you have to call 911 for something and call an ambulance for chest pain, abdominal pain, you think you're having a stroke, having the worst headache of your life, if you get stung by a bee and you feel like you're going to pass out, or you're having a bad allergic reaction, you should definitely go to the emergency department. We at Express Care, we're open 7 days a week, and our hours right now are 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. weekdays and 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. weekends. So we're convenient for the minor injuries and illnesses.
Well, and that's so wonderful that it's after work hours, and the greatest thing is that you don't need to call, make an appointment, and then go a few days later. You can just go whenever you need treatment. Ages. If I have a newborn at home, is urgent care the right place to bring them?
If you have a newborn with what you think is an ill newborn with a fever, no, I would bring that patient to the emergency department. However, ages 1 and up, certainly we'll be happy to see them. Happy
to see them, and we just talked about the hours, and if people want more information about the benefits and also about the different symptoms that they need to know that you can treat, where can they go for more information?
They can go to nobleexpresscare.com.
There it is. That's easy to remember, right?
nobleexpresscare.com. Or just come down and see us at 57 Union Street in Westfield. It's a beautiful facility, brand new. We're excited about it, and we're excited to bring urgent care to the greater Westfield area.
And Dr. Blanchette and Dr. Sutton, I take it you're friends. You seem like you guys get along really well.
He's still
right?
my boss.
But you get along really well.
Yes, we work together very nicely.
I can see
and
that.
we want to take great care of everybody that comes to Express Care or the emergency department.
But you're easy to talk to, so people can feel comfortable, and I think that's very important. That they know they're in good hands. And how was the grand opening this morning?
It was outstanding. We had, like I said, the mayor. We had representatives from Westfield State. We had representatives from the Westfield City of and School Department, the Y. It was great.
That's wonderful. Well, congratulations again. Thanks for being here to tell us about it. I know people in Westfield and surrounding communities are very excited. Western Mass is excited that Noble Express Care is now open for business.
Thank you.
Thank you for being here. Great to have you. For more information on Noble Express Care in Westfield, call 413-642-7200. You can also visit nobleexpresscare.com.